Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics online, 6 powerful ChatGPT-5 money-making methods you need to know. If you've been curious about how to use the latest AI advancements to build real income streams, you're in the right place. ChatGPT-5 is more than just a chatbot. It's an AI powerhouse that can create content, design digital products, write ads, build sales funnels, and even help you automate entire businesses. Its multimodal capabilities mean it can seamlessly work with text, images, audio, and even video, making it a game changer for online entrepreneurs. But before we jump into today's methods, do us a quick favor, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep creating valuable content to help you grow your online business with AI. And speaking of growth, if you've ever struggled with writing launch content, I highly recommend checking out our 500-plus ChatGPT prompt pack for digital product launches pillar. This pack is designed to help you launch faster and sell smarter, with proven prompts for high-converting emails, scroll-stopping ads, and irresistible sales pages. You get full pillar rights, which means you can use it in your own business or even rebrand and resell it as your own product. This is like having a full AI launch team on standby 24/7. Plus, it's available now for a limited time discount, 70% off. So don't miss out. Grab the link in the description and let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on scaling your business. Now, let's jump right into the 6 powerful ChatGPT-5 money-making methods you need to know. Number 1. AI Educator. Think of ChatGPT-5 as your co-instructor and course creator rolled into one. Whether you want to run live paid workshops, build a multi-module online course, or create a membership filled with bite-sized lessons, ChatGPT-5 can rapidly generate polished curricula, learning objectives, and step-by-step lesson plans so you don't start from a blank page. That means you spend less time planning and more time delivering value, which your students will pay for. Use ChatGPT-5 to write lesson scripts, create slide decks, draft quizzes and assignments, and produce guided worksheets or templates students can download. Its multimodal ability lets you generate ideas for visuals, video prompts, and even suggested voiceover copy for lesson videos, so your course feels cohesive and professional without hiring a full production team. You can also have it produce student-facing FAQs, onboarding emails, and progress checklists to reduce support overhead. When it comes to monetization, there are flexible paths. Charge for live workshops and record them into an evergreen course, run cohort-based paid trainings with higher ticket prices, offer a subscription that unlocks a new mini-course every month, or bundle courses with done-for-you resources as premium upsells. ChatGPT-5 can help you craft the sales page, high-converting email sequences, add creatives, and workshop outlines that turn curious visitors into paying students. A simple launch roadmap. Pick a narrow niche and define a clear outcome. Ask ChatGPT-5 to create a 4 to 5 module outline. Produce your first module. Run a low-cost pilot to collect testimonials. Then scale with an evergreen funnel. If you want to speed this up even more, use a proven prompt pack to generate launch copy and course materials in minutes. Then reinvest that time into teaching and scaling. Number 2. Software Composer. ChatGPT-5 is your rapid prototyping partner for building no-code apps and automations. Instead of wrestling with code, you can use it to design up logic, map user flows, and generate the exact configuration and formulas needed for platforms like Bubble, Glide, Airtable, Zapier, Make, or Webflow. Tell it the problem you want to solve, and it will produce wireframes, component lists, database schemas, and step-by-step build instructions so you can assemble an MVP in hours, not weeks. It can also write the UI copy, microcopy, validation rules, and conditional logic snippets you paste into your no-code builder, plus suggested integrations, Stripe for payments, Members Tag for auth, Google Sheets/Airtable for storage. For automations, ChatGPT-5 will outline triggers, actions, and error handling steps so your app behaves like a polished product from day one. If you need onboarding emails, help docs, or support templates, it creates those too, making the whole product feel complete. Monetization routes are plentiful. Sell ready-made templates or starter kits in niche marketplaces, launch a low-cost SaaS built on no-code foundations, offer white-label solutions to small businesses, or provide a done-for-you app building service. You can also package templates with setup tutorials and upsell premium customization or monthly maintenance. ChatGPT-5 helps you write the landing pages, checkout flows, and follow-up sequences that convert visitors into buyers. Identify a repeatable small business need. Appointments, bookings, lead capture, micro CRM. Use ChatGPT-5 to generate a template plus setup guide, list it on marketplaces or Gumroad, and run a small paid test campaign. Iterate based on customer feedback, then productize the best requests as premium add-ons or subscription features. With ChatGPT-5 handling the heavy content and logic work, you can focus on product fit and scaling. Number 3. AI Automation Agency. Build an agency that sells digital workers, automations, and AI agents that handle repeatable business tasks 24/7. ChatGPT-5 can design the end-to-end automation, identify triggers, map decision trees, draft API calls, write webhook handlers, and produce the exact prompts and scripts for each digital worker. Combine that with no-code or low-code orchestration tools to deliver reliable automations for lead qualification, customer support triage, proposal generation, appointment scheduling, and routine bookkeeping tasks. Beyond the logic, ChatGPT-5 helps with monitoring and resiliency. Create health check scripts, sensible fallback messages, escalation rules, and user-friendly dashboards or reports clients can read. It will also produce crisp SOPs, onboarding guides, test cases, and support templates so you can deploy reliably and hand off or maintain systems without chaos. That reduces client churn because the automations behave predictably and you can fix issues fast with documented rubbooks. Revenue models are flexible. Charge one-time setup fees for custom builds, monthly retainers for managed automations, per task or per lead pricing for variable cost work, or performance-based fees where you share upside from conversions saved or leads qualified. Sell pre-built industry templates for quick wins, then offer premium customization, analytics, and training as higher-ticket upsells. Pick a vertical with lots of repetitive tasks, run free or discounted audits to spot quick automation wins. Use ChatGPT-5 to prototype a digital worker, pilot with one client to capture before-after metrics. Then package the playbook and case study. Automate your own lead gen and onboarding with the same digital workers you sell. Then scale by hiring operators who sell and manage rather than rebuild. Number 4. Selling actionable PDF guides. Create compact, high-value PDF guides that solve one clear problem. These are perfect for impulse buys, lead magnets, and tripwire offers. With ChatGPT-5, you can quickly generate tight, outcome-focused outlines, how-to steps, checklists, templates, and case examples that teach a practical skill in 10 to 30 pages. Readers get fast, applicable wins instead of fluff, which drives sales, referrals, and repeat purchases. ChatGPT-5 speeds production end-to-end to write concise chapter copy, craft attention-grabbing headlines and subheads, produce checklists and feeable templates, and draft overlay captions for images or diagrams. Use its multimodal suggestions to create visual ideas like charts, mock-ups, before and after examples that you can hand to a designer or drop into a simple layout tool. It can also generate enticing product descriptions, FAQs, and short promo emails so your guide looks polished and professional from discovery to delivery. Sell single guides for a low one-time price, bundle related guides into a starter kit, or use a guide as a low-cost tripwire that leads into a higher-ticket course or consulting package. Offer PR versions to agencies or consultants, license bundle packs to affiliates, or add premium versions with worksheets, video walkthroughs, or done-for-you templates as upsells. ChatGPT-5 helps you write the upsell copy and split testable headlines to maximize conversion. Pick a narrow, painful problem your audience wants solved. Ask ChatGPT-5 to create a 10 to 20-page guide plus checklist. Design a clean one-page sales flow and promote via an email blast and a few targeted social posts. Collect feedback and iterate. Then create a themed series of guides to increase lifetime value. With ChatGPT-5 handling content and funnels, you can churn out high-quality, revenue-generating guides on a reliable schedule. Number 5. AI-powered growth marketing. Use ChatGPT-5 as your full-stack marketing strategist and execution engine. It can generate persuasive ad copy, multivariant headlines, social captions, landing page copy, and video scripts in seconds. Then suggest which creative to test first based on proven frameworks. Because it understands multimodal inputs, it can also recommend image ideas, storyboard short ads, and produce the accompanying voiceover or caption copy so your creatives are production-ready fast. Beyond creative, ChatGPT-5 helps with data-driven targeting and personalization. Feed it customer segments, purchase history, or simple analytic snapshots, and it will propose personalized email flows, audience buckets for paid campaigns, and sequence strategies to lift retention and LTV. It can draft A/B test plans, conversion rate optimization experiments, and winning hypotheses, plus readable reports that translate raw metrics into action items your team or clients can implement immediately. Monetization routes include offering managed growth retainers, performance-based campaigns, done-for-you creative packs, or growth audits with prioritized playbooks. Agencies can productize AI-generated creative bundles, run white-label campaigns for small businesses, or set up subscription plans that deliver weekly ad variants, emails, and social content generated and iterated by ChatGPT-5. Quick rollout playbook. Run a 7 to 14-day audit to identify quick wins. Use ChatGPT-5 to generate 10 to 15 ad variants and corresponding landing copy. Launch small budget tests to gather signal. Then scale winners while automating reporting and creative refreshes. With AI handling ideation, testing plans, and copy at speed, you focus on strategy, optimization, and scaling revenue. Number 6. Creating faceless content channels. Faceless channels are perfect for creators who want passive, scalable content without ever showing their face, and ChatGPT-5 is the engine that handles the heavy lifting. Use it to generate attention-grabbing hooks, complete video scripts, multi-part series ideas, and short-form spin-offs. Its multimodal ability helps you plan visuals, suggest footage and B-roll, and even produce image prompts for thumbnails, so you can storyboard an entire channel without sitting in front of a camera. For production, build a repeatable pipeline. Ask ChatGPT-5 for a 60 to 90-second script, then convert it with a high-quality text-to-speech voice, and pair it with stock clips, screen recordings, or animated slides. Use the AI to create timestamps, captions, pinned comment replies, and a scroll-stopping title plus description optimized for search. Batch create weeks of videos in a single session and automate uploads and social repurposing with no-code tools so content publishes consistently without manual microwork. Monetization is diverse and compounding. Add revenue from long-form content, affiliate product integrations and descriptions, mid-roll sponsorships once you scale, or funneling viewers into lead magnets and email lists that sell digital products, courses, or peeler packs. You can also sell channel templates, voiceovers, or repurpose short-form packs to other creators, essentially packaging the system you use to grow as a productized service. To scale reliably, iterate on hooks, thumbnails, and formats using analytics. Double down on thumbnails and topics that drive clicks and watch time. Repurpose winning long videos into 3 to 5 shorts. And reuse high-performing scripts across niches with simple prompt tweaks. Keep SOPs, brand voice guidelines, and a content calendar so operators can run the channel without you. Then focus on experimentation, partnerships, and product funnels that turn views into predictable revenue. And that's a wrap-up. If you put even one of these 6 ChatGPT-5 methods into action, you'll be miles ahead whether you build courses, launch no-code apps, sell automations, or scale faceless channels. These strategies are practical, repeatable, and ready to monetize, so pick one, run a small experiment, and iterate fast. If you found value in today's video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and lets me bring you more hands-on AI business ideas. Also, if you want a turbo boost for your launches, check out the 500+ ChatGPT prompt packs for digital product launches Pilar. The link is in the description. It's packed with ready-to-run prompts for emails, ads, sales pages, and more full PR so you can use or resell them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video with more real ways to make money using AI. Until then, take action, keep testing, and don't forget to grab that prompt pack if you want launch copy done in minutes.